Hello guys, welcome to bolartech. In today's video we are going to be drawing the development of the frustum of the given cylinder right on the screen. According to the question, we have been given the plan of the cylinder to be of diameter of 40 millimeter. That is, the radius is going to be 20 millimeter radius. So I'm going to pick my compass measuring 20 millimeter right on my compass as the radius. Alright, we are going to be starting with the plan first. So I'm going to draw a circle. Place my compass at any point, then we are going to be drawing a circle. All right, so now what we are going to do next is to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. I've actually made a video on that, so I'll drop the link in the description below. You can see the different methods to divide a circle into 12 equal parts. All right. So that's that for that. Now what we are going to be doing right next is to label the points. So I'm going to start with labeling this as point 0, this point as point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after labeling those points, we are going to pick our set square, then project line from the two edges here. Okay, from the two edges first, we are going to project line upward like this, in this manner. All right, so now at any convenient point from the plan, which is this circle, I'm going to draw a straight line. All right, I'm going to draw a straight line like this, in this manner. Now according to the question given, we have been given the height from here to here to be what? To be, that is the height of the cylinder, to be 65 millimeters. So I'm going to pick 65. All right, 65. Then I'll join these 2 points together in this manner like this. All right, so that's that for our cylinder. Now, as we have been given, it is a truncated cylinder. That is, we are asked to draw the frustum, the development of the frustum. So we have been given the height from here to here to be 25 millimeter. All right, and this place to this place is 65. So from here I'm going to pick 25. All right, 25. Then join it together like this according to the question. So this is how it's going to be. Let me taking out these parts. All right, so that's that for that. Now the next thing we are going to do is to what? Is to project line from each of these points, points 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, upward to the truncated cylinder. That is the front view of this our cylinder, which is truncated. So I'll project like this first, then from point 2 also I'll project the center, which is point 3, then project point 4 and do the same thing for point 5. All right, so this is what we are asked to do. Now what we are going to be doing next is to what? Is to draw the development, which is going to be in this place. In order to do that, we are going to extend this line which we have drawn as our, which we call our front view, then extend this also towards the right hand side. Okay, then at any convenient point from our front view here, we are going to draw a straight line like this at any convenient point. So what we are going to do next is to pick our compass, then place it at this point. Take one of the quadrants of the circle. Okay, one of these points. It can be 0 and 1, it can be 1 and 2, any one that is convenient for you. Okay, what we just want to do is to divide this line into 12 equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to place my compass here, then mark point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 10. This is point 11. Okay, and this is point 12. So at point 12 we are going to draw a straight vertical line upward like this, in this manner. Now don't forget, we are asked to what? To draw the development of the frustrum of this cylinder. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to what? Project all lines upward. We are going to project all lines upward first, like this. All lines which you have gotten, ensure you make use of thin lines, please. Okay, so now we are done with projecting all these lines which we divided. Let me label here first as 0 1 2 3. This is 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Please note your labeling is very important. Labeling is very important. Okay, then we are going to project lines from the point where this line from the plan is touching this truncated part of the cylinder. I'm going to start from here. I'll project thin lines, please. Okay, this is how we are going to do it, towards the side. All right, we are going to project the lines towards the side in this manner, like this. Okay, so that's for that. So now what we are doing next is to what? Is to pick the point of our truncated cylinder. Note, the cylinder is like this, in this manner. Let me be using this paper as an example. Okay, I'll be using this paper as an example. This is the exact way we have been given. All right, so the development of this cylinder, which is truncated like this, is going to be in this form. So that is exactly the way we are going to be drawing it. So first of all, let's thicken out this edge here, that is this down part. Okay, so we are going to thicken it out like this. All right, so now we can start picking our points. I will label here as 0, this point as 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. All right, I'll label this part. So now we are going to start with our 0. This is 0 and this is 0 right on this place. That's why I said your labeling is very important. So we are going to pick this point. This is 1 where it intersects also with 1. We'll pick. Same thing for 2. We pick. For 3 also we pick like that. 4, 5, then 6. We are going to do exactly the same thing for the other part. This is 7. It is also like 7 from here. As you can see, 5 and 7 are on the same line. Okay, so 0.8 we pick. 0.9 we pick. 0.10, 0.11, and this is 0.12. 0 or 12 is still on the same line. So these are our points. What we are going to be doing is to what? Is to draw the curve. So I'm going to pick my French curve. Then we are going to pick the points like this. We are going to start with this part. All right, we can pick like 3 or 4, whichever one is convenient for us first. We are going to pick and draw like this. Then all right, so we can change it the other way around. Okay, in this manner. Note, this place is not going to be a pointed edge because the plan is actually a circle. All right, so this place is not going to be a pointed edge. You are not making it pointed, you are making it curve. All right, so we are going to do the same for here also. All right, conjoin this, then like this. So this is the development of the frustrum of the cylinder. Kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'll see you in the next.